kitchen. So today we're going to be making something very simple in the Instapot. We're going to be making hard-boiled eggs. And you may have seen out there on the internet, there's two different methods of cooking the eggs. Some people do a 5-5-5 method, and I prefer the 6-6-6 method. So what that refers to is cooking it on high pressure for 6 minutes, doing a natural release for 6 minutes, then doing a quick release, and then putting it in an ice bath for 6 more minutes. Then they're ready to go. Then you'll see how easy they peel. They come out just perfectly. There's no brown color in the yolk. And so come along with me and let's make some hard-boiled eggs. The first step in this easy process is putting a cup of water at the bottom of your Instapot liner. Then put your trivet into the pot. I have a special trivet for eggs, but you can use the trivet that came with your Instapot. Put your eggs in there, put on the lid, put the vent to sealing, hit manual pressure, and you're going to change the time to 6 minutes. Now the 6 minutes are up, and we're going to let it sit under natural release for another 6 minutes. In this case, I let it sit for 7, but that's fine. Now I'm going to do a manual release of the rest of the pressure. And once the pin drops, we'll be ready to open the Instapot. The pin dropped. Now we're going to take off the lid. And I'm going to stick the lid in the little holder on the left-hand side. I've already prepared my ice bath, and now I'm using a pair of tongs to remove the warm eggs out of the Instapot and into the ice bath for 6 minutes. Now comes the fun part, peeling the eggs. As you can see, they're peeling very easily. So simple. The shell just comes off so easily. Wait till you see the inside. When I slice them in the middle, you can see how perfect they look. Yellow yolk, no brown, just perfect. Perfect texture too, just the way we like it. And that's how you make 6-6-6 hard-boiled eggs in the Instapot. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give my video a thumbs up and comment down below. If you would like to see more of my videos, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be informed when my next video is available. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.